Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about top 5 websites you can make a whole lot of money writing articles. All you have to do is just register on the platform and start writing. Now once you write, you get paid. Now some of them are local, some are international, but the major thing is that you get paid. So if you are based in Nigeria, it is normal. All you have to do is use your normal account to sign up and start making money once you write. So once you write an article, the more people read, the more money you make. Now we also have another one, which is Medium. Now that particular one, I'm going to tell you the means of payment, but most likely it's just PayPal. You have PayPal or Dom account, so it has to be wire transfer or PayPal. Now let's get to business. If you are based in Nigeria, the number one platform you should actually write for with easy approval is Opera News. Opera News is, if you are number one, they started from mobile apps. They used to have what we call Opera Mini during the Java days. But now that we are now in the Android and Apple age, we also have the Opera Mini app. So once you have the Opera app, it's a browser and it has the features of writing of news. So if you want to write about news, technology, politics, entertainment, business, education, so it depends on your niche. Just choose the perfect niche and write something appealing, something that people can actually read. And the more people that read, the more money you would make. So guys, what are you waiting for? Now to register on Opera News, first thing you have to do is you have to go to Opera News Hub. So once you get to the Opera News Hub, it's also called the Creator Studio for Opera News. So once you go there, you sign up with your Facebook. That's the normal means of registration on the platform. You have to sign up with Facebook account. And once you sign up, you enter your details, you confirm your registration, and after that, there is what they call the Wikimedia information. So you have to update your Wikimedia information because lots of persons actually use Facebook with names that are not theirs or their legal name. So you have to make sure everything is perfect. Otherwise, number one, it's either you are rejected from Opera News, or when it's time for payments, you start having issues. So if you don't want to have any issues at all, the best thing for you is make sure you update your Wikimedia information, and once you do that, you can start creating your article. So the platform has all it takes to create appealing and good articles, from your title to the body to adding links and some other things. So it all depends on what you want. So that's for Opera News. The second one we have here is Quora.com. Quora is foreign, and for some time now, they've not been allowing Nigerians to get monetized. So on Quora, all you have to do is ask questions. So once you ask questions, you can always, you earn money by asking questions on Quora. Yes, I heard they're working towards helping people that want to answer questions get monetized, but I'm not sure they've started that. But as of today, you can earn money from Quora by just asking questions. Now, the major challenge you would have is that you are based in Nigeria. That's for those that are based in Nigeria. Now, Quora is not for all countries. There's some countries that Quora doesn't accept. Now, the easiest way for you to get accepted to Quora is when you have a family member abroad, because the truth is Quora pays a whole lot of money. And for some time, I heard some part of the world they've stopped monetizing questions for them. So you have to look for a friend abroad that can help sign up, and you would get monetized. So once you get monetized, the next thing you have to do is just go to your dashboard and start asking questions. Just ask questions. Ask questions about that are educational, questions that people will respond to, and get the community active. Automatically, you get credited by the end of the month. So that is Quora.com. For those who are new to Quora, Quora is a question and answer platform, and it's a great platform. So to register on Quora is very simple. You can use your Facebook, you can use your Google account, or you can use your custom email. So the major thing is just make sure you enter your details, because these things will be verified. Now the third one is Scooper. Scooper is a platform just like Opera News. On Scooper, they have a news outlet where but they cover all forms of niche. So from romance to entertainment to news to politics to education to religion to anything. So most Android apps that are coming out these days, Scooper has a way of partnering with them to ensure that the Scooper app is on their phone. So one thing is this: if you become a writer for them, they have the audience. Now, the more appealing your articles are, the more money you make on Scooper. So, to register on Scooper, just go to scooper.com. Now, from scooper.com, fill in your details and start writing. Once you're approved, you can start writing and start making money. So, I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to do something sharp, and I want to pass the information across. So, make sure you follow step by step. Now, the fourth one is Trendmass. Trendmass is more like a forum, and as a forum, they have lots of niche too. So it depends on what you want. Now, once you register on trendmass.com, you can start making money by just you ask questions, you participating in the forum. Now, the easiest way to make money from this Trendmass is to ensure that you add your content, you write article-based content and not just short questions. Because the more engaged, the more active your articles are, the more money you make. For example, this guy is writing about the 5 benefits of owning an Alienware system on your laptop for serious gaming. The next one. So if you look at all the write-ups, they're not just about forums that you just write anything and you just, not like Nairaland. Yeah, Nairaland, you can just come there, drop a line or two, and you move ahead. But on this platform, you have to write something reasonable, something long, a long content. That is what they really want to see. So this is Trendmass. Now, Trendmass is good, and they are approved from all countries. So you can try this out, or you can even start from here. Now, they also have, if you check the platform so well, they are monetized through AdSense also. So it's more like a profit sharing platform, and so your article needs to get lots of views before you can make lots of money. And that's it. So the last but not the least is medium.com. On medium.com, you can make the most money. That's a whole lot of money. You can make more money for Medium than any other platform that I've mentioned. Yes, although Upland is also so well. But for Medium, it is easier to get monetized on Medium when you actually apply from abroad. If you're applying from Nigeria now, anybody can write. Medium is a organized platform. It's article based, and it is highly organized. You see a lot of articles on different topics from different people, professionals, and so your articles has to be informative, has to be engaging and entertaining. Now, when people actually read your articles, you make lots of money from Medium. Medium, you can make over $1,000 from Medium, depending on how good you are and how reasonable your articles are. But like I said earlier, Medium, I'm not sure Nigeria has been included in one of the countries that can be monetized on Medium. There are a lot of countries out there on the platform that can be monetized on Medium. So you can check it out, the Medium Partners program. Now, once you check it out, there are lots of countries. So you just need to look for one and monetize through someone that lives in one of the countries that can be monetized on Medium. That's all you have to do. So once you do that, now another thing with Medium is it is not really compulsory that you even drop all your articles on Medium. You can post an article on your website or your blog and push them to Medium. You will still receive your payment. So guys, what are you waiting for? Now, you can make money from all these things without owning a blog. So owning a blog is not really compulsory. The major thing is ability to write an article. So some of us don't really have the energy, we don't have the strength, we don't have the skills, article writing skills. So we don't venture into things like this. Yeah. But guys, this is an update for you. If you are good at writing articles, stop wasting your time, stop wasting your intellectual prowess and your writing prowess and all, and start getting into business, start making money online. Everyone can make money online. Don't be left behind. If this is your first time of watching any of our videos, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. We talk about money making, we talk about cryptocurrencies, we do product reviews, we do investment reviews, and we bring you up-to-date information about strategies for maximizing profits, making money online, and overcoming scam and all. So guys, subscribe right away. I want you to subscribe. I will do giveaway very soon, and if you are subscribed, I might actually pick you for the giveaway. It's going to be huge. So guys, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. I will always be here to answer your questions, and thank you once again for watching this video. Bye for now.